Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns. Acorns is a popular investing app that automatically invests your spare change for you. But how much money do they take from you? I've been using Acorns for a while now, and I've been really happy with it. But I wanted to know more about the fees that they charge. So, I did some research and found out the following. Acorns charges a monthly fee of $1 for accounts with a balance of less than $5,000. For accounts with a balance of $5,000 or more, the fee is $3 per month. In addition to the monthly fee, Acorns also charges a management fee of 0.25% on your portfolio. This means that for every $1,000 you have invested in Acorns, they will charge you $2.50 per year. So, how much money does Acorns take from you in total? Let's say you have an account with a balance of $10,000. In this case, you would pay $36 in monthly fees and $25 in management fees per year. This means that Acorns would take a total of $61 out of your account each year. Is this a good deal? Well, it depends on your investment goals. If you're just looking for a way to save a little bit of money each month, then Acorns is a great option. But if you're looking for a more aggressive investment strategy, then you may want to consider other options. Here are some things to keep in mind when deciding whether or not to use Acorns. Your investment goals. Your risk tolerance. Your financial situation. If you're not sure whether or not Acorns is right for you, I recommend talking to a financial advisor. They can help you figure out the best investment strategy for your individual needs. In addition to the fees that I mentioned earlier, Acorns also charges a fee for withdrawing your money. This fee is $5 for withdrawals of less than $1,000 and $10 for withdrawals of $1,000 or more. It's important to be aware of all of the fees that Acorns charges before you start using the app. Overall, I think Acorns is a great way to save money automatically. But it's important to be aware of the fees that they charge before you sign up. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about Acorns. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching. I hope this script is helpful.